everyone. I believe many of you recently you have saw this kind of ads saying that passive income 3,000, rental income 7,000. Does that sound familiar to you? So actually in my today's video, right, I have something serious to tell you. Today in my video, right, I want to review to you a commercial short-term rental unit expenses and maintenance cost breakdown, and you should know that before you get to invest into this kind of unit. So I want to share with you on this win-win business model. How does it actually work fairly between owners and also the operator? Because a lot of investors like you, maybe you're curious why there are a lot of hidden costs wasn't being informed upfront, like such as renovation costs, maintenance fee. A lot of investors curious, what are the actual net income I get in the end of the day? So let me share with you how does this win-win business model work. Okay, so we started off with the total collection from the guest booking. So usually from the total gross income, right, we will break it down into a 80-20 formula. So owner will be the one getting 80% and the operator will be getting 20%. So I think it's quite fair when we say that the operator get 20% because they are the professionals who are going to help you manage your unit. You get hassle-free for sure, and that is why you always see a lot of advertisement, or you see it everywhere, like investing into Airbnb unit is hassle-free. So this 80-20, what I want to actually focus today is actually on the 20%. How does this 20% works? Because there are also a list of expenses that will be involved. The list of expenses, I'll break it down one by one. So the first one is actually the electricity, and then we have this water, we have internet charges, we have cleaning fee, we have laundry such as like bed sheets, and then like some of the towel if they need to wash daily, and then check-in and check-out service, toiletries like refillable item, they will be also be charged, such as like maintenance fee. These are also a very crucial one because like a lot of people tell you the net income, but has this kind of income has been deducted maintenance fee or not? In my today's video, I want to share with you what you will actually get back home. So from those total expenses minus off the property maintenance fee, that's the final amount you will actually get back. So usually after deduct all this, right, we will come to this point where we calculate the rental return investment for the owner. So we usually will take this rental income per month, we will multiply by 12 months because it's 1 year rental income, then we divide it into the property value. So the property value times 100%, that's where you get to see your return of investment, which we call it ROI. Also, if your rental income generated can cover installment, can cover maintenance fee, it's considered a very, very stable investment already, because nowadays, if you know in the market, if you want to invest into like shares, stocks, or any form of paper investment, right, those are only considered a paper investment. But if today you actually invested into a tangible asset properties, right, the 7% return that you generated, that is just part of the return you get from the property. We have not included with like capital appreciation in the long run. Investing into property, I could say, is always the most stable one, but it's not like you will actually dump all your 100% investment into property. You can also like diversify lah. That's why we call investors, they can invest in paper, they can invest in business, and sometimes they can also consider part of their investment into properties. Right, so how do you actually stand out your investment from the others if you want it to be managed by the operator? Okay, first thing, you need to choose a high floor unit. Secondly, a limited good facing unit. If you actually found a good location property, you have to go in early to choose a good unit with high floor, good facing. And lastly, of course, you need someone to recommend you a good, reputable operator, because this plays a very important role. Like you see in the market, for example, KLCC properties, you can see like there are plenty of operator around this area, but a good one, I could say probably 10 to 20% only. So if you need to know who are the good operator, you might need to look into their testimonial, like how's their rental income generated to owner, how many rental return or percentage they can get for the owners. The other things such as like cleanliness, and then like their check-in, check-out process, whether it's smooth or not smooth, that is also very important for the guests, and the concierge service communication that they provided to the guests, because all these will actually affected the Google review for the operator. So you need to choose a responsible operator who look into all these detailed things. Okay, come to my last part of my video, right? You may wonder, how do I actually know so much? Me and my partners, right, we have actually already accumulated more than 150 owners that invested this kind of commercial unit with us 6 to 7 years ago. As of today, we're still keeping in touch with them. We actually make sure their unit were properly managed by the so-called reputable operator that can generate good return to my owner. And of course, the unit was managed by me or not, I would say no, but I actually have a very close feel-good operator that I think they are responsible because I did try out their service before, and I do actually witness how they actually manage my owner units and the returns that they give my owner. So if you actually wish to know more professional advice and which are the operator fulfill above criteria, we can arrange a 20 minutes online viewing. So do call me at the numbers below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!